九。2月29号就是下礼拜四，不是下礼拜五。下礼拜四。礼拜四。没有。
Okay, and in this semester about the traditional machine learning is based on the tool is based on scientific learning. Okay. Anyway, the TA will show you how to use it. For deep learning, the platform is based on Keras. Okay. And also, if you want to play with it, you can just download Orange. It is a code-free machine learning and deep learning toolbox. For Orange, you only have to answer the required parameters, hyperparameters. Then you don't need to define the model or anything. That would be something, but it's not my intention for that. Okay, so we will stick on scikit-learn and the Python deep learning model. Okay, and also you can also find some machine learning online courses. The first one is Andrew. It's supposed to pronounce like, but at least okay. I don't know. Okay, YuanZe is a very, very famous AI professor from Stanford University. Okay, you can see the website here. The other one will be the Li Hongyi, okay, from National Taiwan University. His slides is almost perfect. Okay, so you're encouraged to, and you can also see the video. Okay, I this here 2021 and 2022 version. You will focus on the traditional machine learning and deep learning. Now it's updated version for 2023. We almost focus just on large scale language model. Okay, so if you want, you can take a look. Okay, 2023. Okay, you can just take a look. Okay, it's very good, especially for his slide. Okay, I believe it also has English version. Okay, at least the subtitle. Okay, you can see the English version. Okay, the grade. Yeah, I just removed the written exam. Okay, so no written exam. But which doesn't mean you don't need to study all the material covered in the class. Okay, you need to. But I put more weight on the assignment. Okay, so assignment. And again, you will have a term project. Okay, usually you will have 2 or 3 members, but if necessary, I still a larger group in the class. Okay, probably. Okay, we need 3, especially when we need to do the oral presentation. Okay, but 2 or 3. Okay, personally, I prefer just 2 main teams. Okay, but anyway, assignment will take up to 70%, around 5 or 6, just 5 or 6. Okay, assignment. Okay, so that's all I need, or you need to know about what will be covered in this course and how I grade, okay, your performance based on the assignment and term project, and no written exam, okay. And we will continue our class during the midterm week, okay. Okay. And usually you will do your oral presentation in the final exam week. Okay, so that's my plan. Okay. I don't know what would happen if the school decide to reduce the 18 weeks per semester to only 16 weeks. You know, National Taiwan University and Jiao Tong University, they have reduced the length per semester. I don't know what would happen. It's very difficult to imagine how can you cover all the topic in just 16 weeks, okay, including the midterm exam and final exam, and sometimes you might have a national holiday. So, and overall, you might only have 12 weeks for the lecture. Okay, but anyway, we still have 18 weeks. Okay, to cover all the topic. Okay, so as I just mentioned, you may not understand every algorithm I'm talking about, but try to know what could be the algorithm and what could be what will be the name, okay, and what can you do, and what is the limitation, and what are the hyperparameters, okay. When you use the tool, you got to know what to input, okay. So that's the syllabus for. I don't assign the first week. I will talk about the topic. The second week, usually I don't do that because I will observe your performance, okay, from the interaction during the class and your performance for your homework. So I may adjust, okay, a little bit. But basically, I will try to cover all the topics, okay, I list in the syllabus, so that you will have the overall picture, okay, to know what will be covered in machine learning, okay, and especially for vector value data and time series data, okay, for industrial engineering, okay. So that's it, okay. Any question before? Oh. Okay, if no, now I'm going to, yeah. Okay.
Can you brief introduction? How will we do in the assignment? What the topic? I just want to visualize it first.
I don't know.
Okay.
Usually, I will give the assignment whenever I finish one topic, and I don't use the historical assignment or homework.
Yeah, I know that, but I just want to prepare.
What could be the assignment?
Yeah, what type of it? We will use the CNN or just a normal coding or something like that.
No, basically I won't ask you to do any coding. Okay. Probably except for the very first assignment, because you need to do some linear algebra. Okay, matrix operation. That's it. So your first assignment could be related to a PCA and ICA. Okay, how to use PCA, ICA to extract the features. Okay, especially for time series data. That's something I intend to do. Okay. So definitely your first assignment will be something to do with PCA and ICA, and I will ask you to compare the difference between PCA and ICA. Okay, and then every topic I will think of what could be the best assignments for you to learn. Okay, you can learn something, really learn something. Okay. And anyway, you have the TA, okay, Carlos, he will show you each assignment, okay. So it should be very much just like last semester, but a little bit different, because Carlos told me he thought, I thought machine vision is more difficult compared to data pattern, but he says data pattern is much more complicated compared with machine vision. We'll see. Okay. Anyway, linear algebra. Okay, I will talk. You can download it. Okay, you can download. Just give you some just refresh what you have learned from linear algebra. Okay. And because we need to use it a lot, just in case you might forget the terminology used in linear algebra. Okay, so the first part I just downloaded from the web. It's well written. Okay, so and it contains all the information we need for machine learning. Okay. So the first part, linear algebra, okay? Okay, I'll just skip some more. What does it mean? Especially we are talking about the matrix, okay? Matrix algebra, okay? You can download the file from the portal, okay? If they didn't set it, let me know. I will ask Carl, okay, to upload it. Okay. Yeah, you have known a lot. Okay, a scalar. Okay, it's just a number or a value, just like the example here, 1 or 22. It's a scalar. Okay, just a value, Okay. So we usually will lowercase. Okay, to represent the scalar or variable. Okay, 小写没有出体，代表一个变数。OK， 或是一个值，就这样。OK， it's a lowercase or small letter above 出体。OK， 一般斜体代表向量。Okay, you must remember when you read my class note. Okay, usually I will follow the description here. Okay, so for this vector, it contains 5 elements, right? So this is a row vector, this is a column vector. That's how we represent the vector. Okay, we use a lowercase letter above. Okay. 所以出体小写代表向量，这个放心上，代表向量。只看到一个 x 没有出体，代表这是一个变数。好 ，OK， then matrix it got to be 2-dimensional. Okay, a matrix. The size for this one is 2. Okay, 2 by 3. We have 2 rows and 3 columns, right? So the size. Okay, we say the matrix A is of size 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3. 好，两个 row， 3个 column. Okay, it's the matrix. Okay, and bold and capitalize represent matrix, which means if I use X, okay, like this, it's capitalized. Or uppercase letter will represent a matrix. Okay, it will represent a matrix of size and bias. Okay, sometimes we might. It means what? R means real number. Mean what? How many elements for this vector? You have D element dimension D. 好，一般写法是这样。好。那这样写的话，这个有时候会写成这样子，好，有时候会这样写，好吧？知道他在讲什么就好，因为有时候他不会去明讲到底他是几个 row 几个 column， 他会直接就这样写。好 ，that's the mathematical representation. Okay, a square matrix, which means the number of columns will equal to the number of rows. Okay, got to be by a square. Okay, 是一个 code. Okay, I will skip some of the now.